Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Day 8 of the KPL Premier Season 3. It's match 16. It's Station Eagles taking on MN Shine Royals. We are all ready for the toss. We have our guest, Dr. Said Mustafa Al Hosseini, Director of KPL University, the two captains, Mr. Salim and Mr. Noman, and also from the management committee, we also have Sohail Mushidi for the toss.
And this is an
18-hour game. 18-hour game. MN Shine Royals to call. Heads is the call.
And yes, again, it's a head.
The news from the middle is that MN Shine Royals have won the toss and they are batting first.
Goes big, goes handsome. Has it gone the distance? It does. What a strike from Fazil Ahmed. 6 runs all the way. A shot find leg fielder set into the boundary. Bad start to the over by Karthik Aswale. Down the track he comes. He plays the turn over extra cover. Into the boundary. What a shot. Prashant Wadi goes high. Goes handsome. Has it gone the distance? It does. What a strike from Prashant Wadi.
मारो चौका आज मिला है सबको.
This time in the air and in the gap again. What a shot by Fazil Ahmed. He picks the gap sorely. Slower one goes big. Man at deep wicket. And the ball goes into the crowd. Into the stands for a mighty 6. Another. Lovely ball, he cleans up, in fact, as it is. What a bowling this is by Mohan Kumar. Leg break bowler introduced into the attack, and he comes up with a bang. Goes big, Fazil Ahmed in the air. There is a man at deep wicket. I put down, would you believe it? Who's the culprit? Hitting on the back, given him out. Rudo Erasmus, LBW. Down the leg side, wait for the umpire signal. The ball going all the way towards the boundary. Will it go all the way? Yes, it is. Wait for the umpire signal. Boundary, leg by, signal by the umpire. And the boundary. Lovely shot. What a timing. This is pure class shot. What a flick. He flicks it like a Virat Kohli at the moment. In the air, over extra cover again. There is a man at deep cover. Oh, not carried to the man. Ball went for the boundary. Again, down the ground again. One bird. It went all the way for 6. What a shot. What a shot from Fazil Ahmed. Oh, lovely ball. Missed by the both. Batsman and the wicketkeeper. Ball running away to the boundary. Will it go all the way? Yes, it is. Buys. And a boundary. Lovely shot. Lovely cut shot. Straight to the man at deep cover. Can that stop in the boundary rope? It doesn't. And that really is a nice shot. In the air and straight forward dismissal. Really soft dismissal for the Dinesh Tikule. Just catching practice to the Harish JK. Important wicket for the Station Eagles. Goes high, goes big. Has he cleared the boundary rope easily? What a shot this is. 4th 6 to Fazil Ahmed. Again he goes, this time to the long on. Second consecutive 6, straight into the crowd. Sailed into the crowd, this is. Go shot, clean blow, what a shot, big one. And over the deep mid wicket for a mighty 6, Hughes. What a shot this is. of scoring a century. Can he do that? Flex that one to the onside. What a shot this is. Just using the pace of the bowler. Goes for the biggie. Merit long on. Mohan Kumar takes the catch. In fact, Karthik Kaswala is the catcher. This time goes on the onside. One bombs into the fence. What a placement this is. Nice sweep. Result, there is a man at deep square. Can he catch it off? Back-to-back boundaries for Abdul Salim. This time goes big. Long on. The fielder remained as a spectator. Another 6. Into the stands. Oh, go shot in the air. One bounce into the fence. What a shot this is. In the air again and in the gap. Another boundary. Raining boundaries for the Ivan Shai Royals. Chipped it in the air. Over the backward point fielder set into the boundary again. Another boundary this over. Karthik Kaswala leaking runs. In the air. Soft dismissal to the man. Straight to the man at cover region. Mohan Kumar is the catcher. Oh, want to sweep that one to the onside. The ball didn't come out of the bat as the batsman expected, and he cleans up the batsman. Oh, lovely shot. There is a man at long on. Straight to the man. Wicket number 7. Well played. Goes for the quick single. And run out. Wicket number 8. Harish JK is the man. Again, 10 miss. Another wicket. Wicket number 9. Cross batted due to the onside. Ball running away to the boundary. Much needed boundary, an important boundary. Goes through the offside this time. Ball running away to the boundary. Could this go all the way? Yes, it is. Another boundary. Back-to-back boundaries. He goes again this time. Inside edge. 18 overs completed. 165 for the loss of 9 wickets. After a toss won by Ivan Shai Royals, they have scored 165 runs for the loss of 9 wickets in 18 overs. The target for the Station Eagles, 166 in 18 overs. Can they do it? Go shot in the air. Not carried to the fielder. Oh, taken! What a catch! What a sensational catch! Abdul Salim is the catcher. I thought that it will not carry to the fielder, and what a catch this is. Go shot in the air. Not carried to the fielder. Oh, taken! What a catch! What a sensational catch! Abdul Salim is the catcher. I thought that it will not carry to the fielder, and what a catch this is. Down the leg side. Has it gone the distance? Yes, it is. Just over the boundary rope. 6 run signal by the umpire. Really lucky batsman Ayaz Ali on that time. Down the leg side. Has it gone the distance? Yes, it is. Just over the boundary rope. 6 run signal by the umpire. Really lucky batsman Ayaz Ali on that time. This time he goes, swab him it off. What a shot. Clean blow, middle of the bat. Another boundary. This time fifth again and bangs that one down the ground. Couple of bounces into the fence. Another aggressive shot. Back-to-back boundaries to in the over. After 3 overs, 31 runs for the loss of 1 wicket.
से हो
Good pull shot through the onside. This is aggressive cricket. No half measures, clean hitting. Short of length ball, pulls with complete authority.
मारो छक्का मारो चौका आज
Ball him, what a ball, what a ball this is. It's a big wicket of Mohammad Ayaz Ali, who is playing so well, exposed his leg stumps. Down the leg side, missed by the both batsmen and the wicketkeeper, running away towards the boundary. Wide and a boundary, 5 useful runs to the Station Eagles team. Oh, he given himself room and placed that one over deep final. What a shot! What a shot from the captain, Noman. Lovely shot through the onside this time. Fielder has been changed and the result is a boundary. He knew that there is a no man in the deep square leg and he played the ball and he got the desired boundary. The ball goes to the 8 fine leg area. Back-to-back boundaries. 2 consecutive boundaries. Back-to-back boundaries to in the over. After 9 overs, 82 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. Good shot in the air. Not carried to the fielder. Ball running away to the boundary. Much needed boundary for the Station Eagles. Good shot by the captain, Abdul Noman. Good improvisation. This is. Man at defined leg, Asif Khan can't get there. What a clever shot this is. Just using the pace of the bowler. In the air, just over the backward point fielder. What a shot from Harish JK, who joins into the party. Nice pull shot by Harish JK through the mid-wicket area. There is a man at deep square leg, can't get there. Much needed boundary, handy boundary at this stage. Low steered that one to the backward point area. The ball running away towards the boundary. Will it go all the way? Yes, boundary signal by the umpire. Lovely shot through the onside. And into the boundary. What a shot this is. Top shot. Go shot in the air. Man at long off. And that went to the distance. What a shot. What a shot from Harish JK under pressure. Even though there is a man at long off. No chance whatsoever. Pulls that one to the onside and that's it. 50 for the Noman. Abdul Noman reached his half century in 29 balls. Good improvisation. This is to the deep leg area. Much needed boundary. What a batting this is. Go shot. Over extra. Over extra cover. But a boundary. What a shot from Harish JK. Scores are level. They need only 1 run in the last over. What a batting from Harish JK. He remains on 32. That's it. It's all over. Station Eagles have win this match comprehensively by 6 wickets. Still 5 balls to go. Wonderful victory. This is excellent partnership in between Harish JK and Captain Noman. They win this match by 6 wickets. And they register their 2 points on the table. Over to the studio. Tahir Abbas.
KBN Premier League Season 3 is presented by KBN University and Megaspeed Broadband. Powered by Mobile Hub and iBot. In association with Shaheen Group of Institutions, Gulberg Travels, Al Noor Specialty Hospital, Sana Builders and Developers, Microtouch Infotech Private Limited, Birla Evans Concrete Cement, Orbis International School, Punjab Footwear Group, AN Banquets, and by Shebas Electricals. Our gold sponsors include Dr. Royals Ayurveda Hospitals, Bharat Honda, United Hospital, Shweta Dentistry, Prakash Asian Mall, Maharaja Sweets, and by Quality Steels.